Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to allow and how to prevent Call Manager to display notifications on the lock screen in Realme 14 Pro phone. So, first of all, we need to open our phone settings. Then in settings, we are looking for notifications and quick settings menu. Then we need to open lock screen options, and here we have our switches. So, first of all, we can disable them all. But if you want a single application to be, for example, unable to display notifications on the lock screen, the Call Manager in our example, we can simply turn it off. And we can turn it back on using the same switch. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.